Hey Harmonic traders, Scott Carney here. I want to talk about the Harmonic Pattern Collection Lite for the Thinkorswim platform. Now, I just want to go over some basic expectations, especially for people that have just subscribed and purchased the program, of what to expect in the trade management process. Take a look at this opportunity here in the bearish bat on Euro Yen on a 15-minute or 30-minute. This is a recent pattern that just popped up a few days ago, and I wanted to go over it because it actually has a lot of the elements that are commonly found. Don't be surprised to see harmonic patterns unfold in this manner. I think a lot of people have a understanding or even maybe a misinformed expectation that harmonic patterns complete and then completely reverse, but that's not the case. And our software for the Thinkorswim platform outlines the minimum targets because the process of going from an initial reaction back to a retest for a final larger reversal is the usual norm that we look for in all patterns on all time frames, all markets. In this instance, we're looking at a bearish bat, Euro Yen. Define the zone, and we want to take a look at how this breaks down and what to look for. Now, one of the things I've been mentioning a lot lately is bringing up Heikin Ashi candlesticks. And for this platform, that can be found right under the style button. So I just wanted to pop that up and take a look here of using that because it has been really extremely visual, extremely clear with the pattern zones. Now let's take a look at this bat pattern. I want to show what an ideal bat pattern looks like and just go over some of the basic concepts. So the bat is a retracement pattern. We look for that at the 88.6% retracement of usually a critical pivot, prior pivot point. Now the bat, since it's a retracement, is usually going to give us some consolidation before the larger move. This W structure has all the elements that we want to look for in the pattern, but just focus primarily on the 88.6% level, and the software calculates all of the other measurements. So it defines the zone and shows us where the top end of the range is. So we focus our eye really on that's the 88.6% retracement. Like most patterns, they're going to overrun the zones a little bit. So we're not surprised to see that. But when we're up in this ballpark area, right above the 886, looking for that reversal, we are also considering the target 1 as our minimum objective. Now, here's the thing. With this zone, we only see a minor reaction. And again, with every time the pattern completes on the first time, we are thinking reaction. No matter, again, what the time frame, what the market is, because most situations are going to give us two opportunities. Take a look at what an illustration of the zone looks like. This is BAT PRZ, kind of the ideal PRZ that we would look for. Again, we're considering the opportunity after the 886 gets hit, and usually we'll see some kind of inflection of price action. Once that's established, that stop loss is set just above there. We'll look at that in a second, but again, here is what we should see, kind of the ideal model of hits the zone, rolls over, establishing pretty nice trend line coming off of there. Now, trend line gets violated, that's one of our basic signals to exit the trade on that first reaction. Really important to understand that. Again, take a look at what happened on this zone, and the Heikin Ashi candles were really clear once we topped out into the zone, stalling, rolling over, still a valid trade 10, 12 bars after the fact. Now we're taking it for a move down to target 1. That's our objective. That's our measured level for type 1 reaction, and then looking for a larger retest. What happens here is you have a reaction but no follow through. That's something that requires a little trade management. You're a trader, you're in front of your screen, you see those kind of signs. If you don't get that follow through, especially if we can't fall out of the zone down to target 1, break the trend line down, then we're going to scalp that, knowing that we will usually have a secondary entry. Again, that's something to really consider. That most pattern opportunities are going to give you 2 shots, and that first opportunity, once we're up here at the D point, bring that little arrow into here, we start looking for that reactive move right in there. So do take a look, spend some time, especially those that are new with the software. I recommend a few other things that in some other webinars I have presented. Take a look at relative strength, but we'll start featuring specific strategies and how to really get the most out of the pattern, so you know what to do. You know when you're going to expect a reaction versus maybe a larger reversal. And we'll look at that larger reversal in a separate webinar. So do check out what we have available. That this is all through the Thinkorswim platform. And there's our ultimate bearish model. But go to our HarmonicPatternCollection.com website. I'm going to have a few more videos and offer some strategy sessions on how to interpret the price action and understand when a harmonic pattern is really an opportunity. So we're working with www.funwiththinkscript.com. They have a number of scripts, but the Harmonic Pattern Collection Lite is our official screener, available for Thinkorswim, available on that in that script with the funwiththinkscript.com site. If you have any questions, do check out the material here on YouTube and other channels. Do look at the free material that I have. Fully look at all the videos before you consider purchasing, and you see what we offer here. Really fantastic product, and all of these levels are automated, so we've taken the best of the optimized algorithms to create the zones. Still requires a little bit of knowledge, which we provide you for free, to understand how to get the most out of what the software is showing you. Again, any questions, reach out to me at harmonictrader@harmonictrader.com and go get them.